There's a hair on my nose and I can see it, but I can't feel it. Hey guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are making some filling but still really simple and delicious breakfast recipes. I wanted to make a video that had different recipes than the typical like smoothie, oatmeal. I feel like there are tons of recipes out there for those foods, so I tried to do something a little bit different today with these recipes. Also, I wanted to let you guys know that yesterday I decided, in addition to posting about one recipe video a week, I'm going to start also posting lifestyle videos on this channel. I did have a separate lifestyle channel and I'll still leave that one where it is with all the videos on it, but having to kind of like separate things into two channels, I just found it really, I don't know, like polarizing in myself. I felt like I had to split my interests up. I like the idea of just having everything on one channel and being able to have conversations with you guys about different things and talk about different things and make videos about other things that I'm passionate about besides just food. It just feels right and I'm excited about it, and I'm excited to just kind of freshen things up around here since I'm freshening things up in other areas of my life as well. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do a schedule like one day of the week is food videos and then the other day is lifestyle. I think having a schedule is easier because then you guys know when my new videos will be up. So if I decide on a schedule, I will put it on my channel banner so that you guys will know like what days I'm posting what. So I think that is everything I have to say for now. I hope you guys enjoy the video and let's get into it. Okay, we're starting off by making the garlic and herb cream cheese. So we're going to add the soaked cashews to a blender with a clove of garlic, some lemon juice, and salt. Blend it in a high-speed blender or food processor and scrape it down as you need, and also add a little bit of water as you need, but try and get it as thick as you possibly can while also getting it as smooth as you can. Then you want to add some herbs. So I added dried basil, parsley, and oregano, and just stirred that up all together until it was nice and combined. Next, in a frying pan on medium heat, I just added some chopped cherry tomatoes and a little bit of water and steamed them for a few minutes until they softened. And then I just added some salt and pepper and a handful of spinach and let that wilt for about a minute. Then to assemble the breakfast, I took some pieces of toast. You can use whatever kind of bread you like, of course, and if you want to use bigger slices of bread, you definitely can, but I really love baguette, and so I just used a few pieces of that, spread some cream cheese on it, and then added the tomatoes and spinach, and a little bit of chili flakes to finish it off. This cream cheese spread would also be really, really good on a bagel or even on a wrap. To make the zucchini bread, we're going to start by adding the flour, baking powder, baking soda, oats, and sugar, and just whisk that together until it is all combined. Then in a separate bowl, you want to add the wet ingredients. So we're adding almond milk, vinegar, oil, which you can replace with applesauce if you want, some vanilla, and our shredded zucchini, and then just whisk that together until that is all combined. Then you're just going to add the wet ingredients to the dry and stir until it just comes together to form a batter, but you also want to make sure that there isn't any flour hiding at the bottom. Then as a optional step, you can add whatever you like into the bread. So I added chocolate chips, but you could also add nuts or coconut or any sort of other seeds or anything that you like, really. Then I put it in a loaf pan that I sprayed with a little bit of olive oil and baked it in the oven for I think around 45 to 47 minutes. The temperature and all the instructions will be in the description box as always. For the chickpea scramble, we are starting with a frying pan on medium heat, and I just added a little bit of oil, and then we're going to cook the onions, garlic, green onions, and bell pepper. Then after the onions have become translucent, you can add some mashed chickpeas. These are cooked and I just mashed them with a fork. And then you want to add the turmeric, chili powder, and any other spices that you want to add at this time. And then at the end, I just added in some spinach and let that wilt for about a minute before I served it. And I served it with some avocado toast sprinkled with a little bit of chili flakes. And this was such a good combination. I highly recommend it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you make these recipes. If you do, make sure to take a photo and tag me on Instagram at itslivb. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, thank you for your comments and your support. I love it so much, and I love you guys so much. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you in my next video.